So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2023 Genesis G90, and this thing features a few different drive modes, and I want to take a moment to showcase those modes and showcase just what they change. So in this vehicle, you can adjust the drive modes by this drive mode button on the center console. So pushing this 3 times will basically cycle you through Eco, Comfort, and Sport. And if you hold it down, you have 3 different options that you can adjust that hold down through the information cluster. So I'm going to showcase how you can do that. So go to your, you got your infotainment here, you swipe over, go to your setup screen. First one, vehicle, you can already see it says drive mode. Hit this drive mode, and then your custom, you can adjust it between the my drive mode, which you can completely adjust by this gear, adjusting anything you want. So comfort for the powertrain, steering, suspension, all-wheel drive, whoever set this, set everything for comfort, but you can adjust it between eco, comfort, and sport. That way you're not only locked into an eco, comfort, sport drive mode, you can kind of adjust each of these options for that. But you also have, so that's like a custom mode. You also have the smart mode, which you hold it down and it'll automatically adjust the ride using eco, comfort, and sport to just what the vehicle feels you need. And uniquely in the G90, you have this chauffeur mode, which optimizes the ride of the vehicle for the person who is in the back seat, which is pretty unique because everything, every drive mode you see in vehicles is usually optimized for whoever's in the driver's seat to have the best experience. In this case, I'm sure it changes the suspension, more of a comfortable ride for whoever's in the back. So cycling through again, now that I have it on chauffeur, you can see hold is now chauffeur. If I hit smart, hold is smart. And the if I put my drive mode up there, you can see hold is my, so for my drive mode. But for each of those different drive modes, the eco, comfort, and sport, you can see through the my drive mode what it'll change. It'll change the powertrain, steering, suspension, and all-wheel drive systems into either an eco, more fuel efficient, comfort, more surrounding the suspension and just the feel of the vehicle, and sport, which will liven up the G90 to its full potential. Hope you liked this quick video. Thanks for watching.